Hi everyone, Dean here from Design Scan Print 3D. Hope everyone's well. This is just a very quick video to say that I'm going to be releasing 12 digital models for you to 3D print at home or to use another service to print your own miniature figures and props or buildings. And so I've got lined up 12 models I'm going to be giving away for free. Now all you need to do to get these models is to sign up to the newsletter, and I'll explain that in just one second. But you might want to be curious to see what sort of 3D files I'm going to be giving away over the next 3 months. Now, I've been working hard on creating some new assets, and I've also been working hard on making sure that all the digital files are up to scratch for everybody to download. If you ever have a chance, go to my Instagram page, Design Scan Print 3D, and on here you'll see some of the tests that I've been doing. So part of the giveaway will be the digital file for this signal box. There will also be some other props. There will be some figures as well. Now these figures you can download, and the buildings as well you can download, print at home, and that'd be great just to see what results people can get. If you do download them, I'd really appreciate if you want to send me some pictures or give me some feedback on how well these things are. I've test printed everything at home on my own 3D printers. Everything you see in my Instagram feed is actually done on just a real basic Ender 3 £200 3D printer. So again, I'm just trying to make everything accessible to as many people as possible. So in terms of signing up to the newsletter, what you need to do is just go to the website designscanprint3d.co.uk/newsletter. And again, you'll just get a link once you've signed into here. And over the next 3 months, I'll be sending out models all the time. At the end of the 3 months, I'm going to be launching a Patreon page, which will allow people to subscribe. I'm not too sure, probably around £10 a month. And in that £10 will be included various 3D figures, as well as the props and accessories and buildings and things like that I'm going to be creating on a monthly basis. And them things will only be accessible through Patreon. You won't be able to buy them. The figures at the moment you can buy through the Design Scan Print 3D website. And again, being a patron as well will mean you'll have discounts for downloading existing models. You can see on here, I think there's about 100 models on at the moment. So it'll just be a way to try and get these models out there for people to print as well. And if you are a commercial vendor that wants to paint them or just sell them as they are, then that'll be the option as well in Patreon as well, to be able to purchase a commercial license. And that's it for this quick vlog. Just again, if you want to get these free 12 models over the next 3 months, there might even be more, I'm not too sure. Things could change. Just go to designscanprint3d.co.uk/newsletter. I'll drop some links in below anyway. But if there is anything else that you'd like to know, either drop me a DM through YouTube or Instagram or however you're watching this, or drop an email once you get signed up to that emailing list. And yeah, I'd love to hear from everybody. Okay, that's it for today. Thanks everybody. Hope you have a great weekend. Take care.